Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make mousse chocolate cake. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature and your equipment is ready. Prepare a 9-inch springform pan by lining the bottom with parchment paper and lightly greasing the sides. Then, gently melt 100 grams of quality dark chocolate with 50 grams of unsalted butter over a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring until smooth. Next, bake a thin, rich chocolate cake layer to serve as the sturdy base for your mousse. Once baked, let it cool completely. In a separate bowl, whip 250 milliliters of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. Carefully fold the cooled, melted chocolate mixture into the whipped cream in 2 additions, ensuring a light and even consistency without deflating the cream. Now it's time to assemble your delicious creation. Place the cooled chocolate cake base firmly into the bottom of your prepared springform pan. Carefully pour the entire chocolate mousse mixture evenly over the cake layer, spreading it gently to the edges. Smooth the top with a spatula. Then, refrigerate the cake for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. Finally, once your chocolate mousse cake is thoroughly chilled and firm, carefully release it from the springform pan. You can warm the sides slightly with a warm cloth if needed for easier removal. Now for the fun part, decorating. Garnish your beautiful cake with elegant chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or vibrant fresh berries for a pop of color. Don't forget to check the description for a great book on money and other deals. Slice and enjoy this decadent dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.